Up for auction is a Matco Tools half-inch drive flex head torque wrench. The model number is TRC250FA. It is in good condition. It's got a couple scuffs there. It has been used. The head does still lock into place for the flex. It's a great size handle. You can see right there, it's the Matco Tools. Everything's tested out on it, works. Comes with the case. There are some stains on it, on the case, on the unit. It seems to be in good condition. Like I said, a couple scuff marks, some wear marks right there, but it seems to torque well, do everything. It has not been calibrated, so you know you may have to do that also. But you can get this and any other items at our eBay store. Get it now upon 1500. Thanks.